time again for another Vegan Cuts beauty unboxing. So if you're new here, the way we do it is we talk about last month's box, and then what I liked, what I didn't like, we'll unbox this month's box, and then we'll talk pricing. So last month's box, I got the deodorant. It's the first time I got a deodorant in a box. It was fine. Like, it technically worked, but when I wear deodorant, I want it to like be a smell I really like. This smell didn't really like appeal to me. It wasn't super strong or anything like that. It just wasn't sweet and nice like I normally like my deodorant. So it was fine. Would I buy it again? No. Like, I normally buy Native or Love Beauty Planet or Schmidt's. I like all of those. They have a lot of scents I like. But it was fine. Will I use it? Yes. Will I buy it again? No. Then there was the Eco Lips lip balm. It was fine. It was a lip balm. Would I buy it again? Probably, if I'm in the market for a lip balm. But I get so many lip balms from these beauty boxes, I don't ever seem to need one. But it was fine. I didn't love it, didn't hate it. It was just fine. Then there was the Ahava soap. Now, I did like this soap. I don't know if it was detoxing, but it did work well. Like, it lathered nicely for a bar soap. I normally don't use bar soaps. I usually use a body wash just because I like the nice smells, but I thought this was fine. Would I buy it again? Probably not, unless I decide to ditch body washes and go with just bars. It did have like slight abrasiveness to it, but it wasn't anything crazy. Then there was the Halo, I think it was by Medusa's, I don't remember, but it'll be up on the screen. I actually quite liked this one. So I normally do highlighters that are powder. This one was like a stick, and it was more wet. But I actually quite liked it, and it didn't make me break out, which I appreciate, because sometimes when I use like liquid highlighters or blushes or whatever, they make me break out. This one did not, and I quite liked it. It doesn't really stay all day. Like, I'm using some of it right now, so you can kind of see it, but it's worn off a lot from this morning. I worked a whole day at work, so it's okay. I would probably buy it again. Maybe. I still love my powder more, but I think it was nice. And it's in a very convenient little package. So I can just go boop, boop, boop. And then I like use my finger to like rub it out and put a little bit here and a little bit there. And it looks really nice. So I did quite enjoy that one. Now, let's get to the unboxing. All right, this is Editing Iris from the future. I forgot to mention the eyeliner. It was the 100% Pure Creamy Long Last eyeliner in Dark Cacao. This is a pencil liner. I was a little bit skeptical of it because you guys know how I feel about pencil liners. I don't use those anymore. I strictly use liquid. But I actually thought this one was pretty good. I wouldn't use it because it's dark cacao. I prefer black eyeliner or like a really colorful eyeliner, not brown. But this one did last all day. It did not smudge. So I would recommend it. I just probably wouldn't buy it again. The door to vegan. Ooh. Vegan Cuts. This box supports the Blind Spot Animal Sanctuary. I believe that is an emu. Am I correct? Featured product highlights in case you're curious. So right off the bat, I have to get this out. Unicorn Glow Call It a Day Makeup Remover Wipes. So, fun fact, I used to use makeup wipes forever ago. I actually switched it up and I started using like the reusable cloth poof pad thingies. I love them, especially paired with a good cleansing balm. I really like the e.l.f. cleansing balm. I think it's Holy Hydration Cleansing Balm. It's really good. It's affordable and it works amazing. So in case you guys are trying to get away from wipes, now this does say it's biodegradable, which is cool, but just so you know, guys, biodegradable is not the same thing as compostable. So keep that in mind. I'm going to try them out because, you know, I have them, but I'm going to be completely honest, I'm not ever going to go back to makeup wipes, just so you know. But yeah, vegan, not tested on animals, charcoal extract. That's cool. In case you guys, in case you guys are curious about the ingredients, I showed them there. All right, now I'm curious about this. Pineapple Punch Body Scrub. You're the pineapple of my eye. Proudly vegan. This is by Bella and Bear. We did have something from them. It was the bath salts, I believe. I love a good body scrub, so I'm very excited about this. I haven't had a body scrub in a long time. Oh, we have this already. I still have it in my car because when you need a little bit of a lip balm, so I have one of these in my car, but that's cool. Like, I thought this was pretty good, but I have tried it already. It's a nice little lip balm. It is minty, so if you're not into that. Rose Quartz Chakra Serum. Align Shine. Prevents breakage. Anti-frizz detangler heat guard. I've used something from Rose Quartz before, but I don't remember what. Let love flow from crown to root. Chakra Serum encircles locks with Align Shine and silky energy for radiant movement. You'll feel instantly. Look, I don't like all that little woo-woo talk, but that's fine. There's the ingredients, because that's what we actually care about. That, and then it's vegan and cruelty-free. Last but not least, we have a little bar soap. Ancient Clay Shampoo Bar. Another shampoo bar. Okay. So this is like the third shampoo bar I've used this year, I think. So made with coconut oil, shea butter, ionic clay minerals, cocoa butter, vitamins B, C, and E, oatmeal, pink grapefruit extract. Interesting. So that's what we got in our box. Now let's go up and talk prices. Alright guys, let's talk prices. So this is not the most valuable box by the numbers. A lot of these things are so small I could not find actual prices for them. So I went based on the full size product and then divided by the fluid ounces. So like, for instance, the Rose Quartz Chakra Serum for your hair, I could only find full size and it was like $27. But this is less than a quarter of the amount. It's 0.35 fluid ounces. So I just gave it the benefit of doubt and divided by 4, which means the serum is only $6.75. Same thing with the shampoo bar. I had to divide, math. The shampoo bar is $1.30 for this little tester guy. Now the lip balm is $4.25, and I went with the first things that came up when I looked these up. Some of these might be more expensive at other places, but the balm was $4.25. The Pineapple Punch Body Scrub is $6.64. And then the Unicorn Glow Makeup Remover Wipes. This is the most expensive thing, but this is a full size. It is $11.11. Even though I found this one when I looked up stuff, so they might have a bigger one, but this is the one that came up. So that gives our grand total $30.05. So that's a very cheap box comparatively. So I buy the 12-month subscription for this, but if you didn't do that, you're paying like $25 plus per box. So this is like right there as far as like you're getting exactly what you paid for. Is it worth it? I guess we'll have to try the products and see. But yeah, like I said, I do the 12-month box, so I save money that way. But you can also do it monthly, or like every 3 months, or every 6 months. I don't remember exactly, but that does it for today's video, guys. I'm very excited to go try these products, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Bye!